Hello guys, today I'm Joel Fanny and today here's the original Victor, which it also turn off here. You could see it says Victor right there. And this one, it comes with a sun windy speed walk control up there. So let's turn it up to speed 1. Here it is. Did you know this sun windy right there? It's right here, but still. So you guys, I'm gonna show you the MISU. But first of all, you could see the MISU ceiling fan in another classroom here. No, that's a Victor ceiling fan. That's a Victor ceiling fan. There's the one in the classroom. So this one is at speed 1. And speed 2. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the top of now. Here it's spinning and here all these fluorescent lighting. And now speed. And now it's speed 3. It's spinning. They used to have the X solo song, but this is the original Victor, which I have in Roblox. So it's now to speed 4 to spin down times. So here it goes spinning. Okay, I'm now going to turn it to 1 for speed. I put the sun windy. Here it is. Here it is blowing a lot of air, and here is off. So you guys, I'm gonna show you the MISU in the classroom. This game is lagging a little bit. So we're walking. No, this is not the classroom that has the MISU. So the MISU is in this classroom. Here it is. No, that room is the No, that room where the Victor is. And the other room where the where this MISU is. Here's this speed control here. Here it said MISU. Here's a speed control, and it's right here. And Roblox look a bit crooked. I could play a lot of Thompson Friends game, but still. Some you guys and